Discussion on full mouth restoration by Medical Tourism Corporation's American Dental Association member dental expert in Costa Rica.
Remaking a full mouth restoration, or remaking a smile, what we call it, is rediscovering your smile, is that more than 70% of the population in the world will have problems with their smile. And for many reasons. It could be because they're missing teeth. It could be because they have crooked teeth. They have stains in their teeth and they don't like it. They don't have a good bite. And people suffer a lot with this, and what they do is they just sometimes avoid just going to the dentist, or they know they have a problem but they just leave it like that. And what happens is that their self-esteem, and not only their health, because what happens is when you don't chew your food right, you will start having problems with your digestive system, and that will just destroy the whole system. So we said that health will start in the mouth just because of everything starts by chewing. You will do two things while you're alive. One is to breathe and one is to eat. If you don't do one of those, you end up dying. So, and the other part of your smile is not only the chewing, it has to do with the looks. And when you don't like your own looks and when you stop smiling, what happens is that people will just have problems with their self-esteem. And everything will just become great. We call it that people will just start changing the way they feel about themselves and about they feel about their environment. They become not a good worker. Anything that they do is related with. Nowadays we are working between other people, and we need to be related to other people. And when people are not able to smile because they feel ashamed about their smile, or they're not able to eat and they will just avoid getting related, it has to be with family relationship or co-workers, to go out and have lunch, dinner, or just meet with somebody, and everything ends by eating something or drinking something, and they're not able to do this basic functionalities. People will just become really selfish to themselves, and they will suffer, and they will have a lot of problems. So what we try to do is put the patient back to their normal position, so they will be able to enjoy life again, and to be able to smile. And at the same time, when you use our system and when you come to Costa Rica, you will be saving not only time, you will be saving money too. The prices are basically as close as 70% of savings, with the same kind of material, the same kind of treatment, with less time. Let's give an example. A full restoration with 16 implants and 28 crowns on that case will cost here less than $25,000. In the States will go, depending on the state that you live on, will go from $68,000 to $90,000 on a period of 18 months. Here will be only a period from 10 days to 12 days. A case of a full mouth restoration, which is crowns, we're talking about 14 crowns on the top, 14 crowns on the bottom. The normal case in the U.S. will cost from $35,000 to $45,000 in the States. Here will cost less than $10,000.
Medical Tourism Corporation facilitates affordable medical and dental treatment at world-class international hospitals and clinics. Fill out the estimate request form on our site, medicaltourismco.com, for a free quote and more information.